Hey again, this is Andy from PotatoesandPearls.com, and in this video I am going to give you a cabin tour of cabin 6263 on the beautiful Carnival Pride. In September of 2018, I took a 7-night cruise to the Bahamas via the Carnival Pride. This is going to be a tour of the extended balcony room. 6263 is an extended balcony room, so we will see that later in the tour. As you can see here, there are light switches. This first one here is to turn on the lights in the hallway and the main lights in the room. As you can see above, there is your breakfast menus and your do not disturb sign, and down here is the light switch for the bathroom. Compared to other cruise ships that I have been on, this is a pretty good sized bathroom. I do enjoy that there are 2 hooks on the back of the door. It made it really easy for me to hang up my toiletry bag and to hang up my clothes while I was in the bathroom. The shower was a good size for an adult. I had room to turn around. Carnival also provides shampoo and body wash. I did not use them just because I have my own preferences, but they are in there with the handheld shower. There's also your standard toilet, and then the counter space in here is super awesome. The shelving was great. The other person I stayed in the room with, they had their own side, I had my own side, and so that made it awesome. And then there's also the plug that takes a European travel piece, so you can just plug that in there and use that as an outlet as well. Moving on to the desk portion of the room, I found that the desk had a lot of storage that made it great for putting away things. We bought a case of water for the room, so that's sitting here, and we kept our water stored away in the desk. There is your American outlet and your European outlet, but we just brought the European travel plug, so we were able to turn that one into a US outlet as well, so that was no problem. Your TV is here, your glasses if you need glasses. We had an ice bucket, we stored that here as well. You do have your makeup bench down below with your trash can. There's also a refrigerator here as well, which ours came cleared out, so we were able to store our bottles of water and soda that we ended up bringing on the trip. There is also plenty of drawer space where we kept some of our items, some of our water. We also have a hair dryer in the top drawer, so it did make for a lot of storage space, a lot of mirrors, a lot of light. Over here you can see the couch. The couch does turn into another bed, but it was just 2 of us in the room, so we didn't need to use it as a bed. We actually used it as a couch and a place to put some luggage. And then we do have the 2 beds over here that do combine into a king if needed, but since it was 2 of us in the room, we just had our own separate beds. And then next we are going to take a look inside of the closets. In my opinion, this room had a good amount of closet space. The first closet that you go into was nothing but shelves. It did have like a weird bar in there where you could hang something up. I guess if you wanted to hang up like a bathing suit or something, you could use that bar for that. But we mainly use this area for like an overflow of toiletries or pajamas or underclothes. The bottom area was, we put some luggage down there. In the second set closet piece, it has 2 bars, so you were able to hang up some shirts and pants. So that was really nice and spacious. And then in the last closet down at the end, it just has one very tall bar, and that's where we hung our dresses for formal night or any type of sundresses we may have had, and it made good space for that. The last piece of the extended balcony room is the extended balcony. I found it to be super spacious. It comes with 2 chairs and a small table / footrest and a reclining chair. So what I would do is I would recline the chair back and put my feet up on the footrest / table whenever I wanted to sit outside, and it was just plenty of space for a few people to just sit out there. And that is it, a full tour of extended balcony room 6263 aboard the Carnival Pride. Overall, I enjoyed my time on the boat. If you are a fan of Carnival and you're looking for a cruise leaving from Baltimore, currently as of 2018, the Carnival Pride is the only Carnival boat leaving from Baltimore, Maryland, just due to a bridge in the area that sits low. Unfortunately, none of the other Carnival boats can fit under the bridge. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a like, and don't forget to subscribe. If you like travel, if you like food, if you're into new home ideas, then this is the channel for you. And so don't forget to press that subscribe button below, and I will see you all later. Bye.